Guys, I wanted to show you this purse that I received from the company. I think this is such a pretty bag that comes in different colors. This is like a tan with the brown. It has this handle on top to carry it, as well as a removable strap for crossbody. It does come with these charms, but they are removable if that's not your thing. Personally, I like it a little bit more simple without them, but I do think that these are cute. They're like little hand knitted charms. This is adjustable, so you can change the length of it. The bag itself can fit like makeup, my phone. So I have a pretty big iPhone. I just have the case here because I'm filming on it, but I wanted to show you what it looks like inside. So the phone fits easily in there, as well as there's room for plenty of other things, maybe some makeup, a few different items like some snacks. I wouldn't put a water bottle in here, maybe something small though, like one of those little water bottles would fit. It does have like this flat bottom, which I always like because then the purse can just sit straight up. The buttons as well as zippers to close inside so things do not fall out. It's made out of like a vegan leather. It's pretty durable, smooth, and just like very pretty and high end looking. I'm really loving this color combination. I think it's very pretty for all seasons and like really nice hardware. And I'm really happy with this. I would definitely give this one a try.